Traditional wireless presentation systems often have low mobility and rely on extensive IT knowledge, which can be inconvenient and inflexible. Today, let me introduce how EZCast's latest Office Link product redefines BYOD meetings, turning them into efficient collaborative experiences. Inside the Office Link package, you will find one receiver, 2 types of transmitters, and a whole set of accessories. The Office Link transmitter is available in 2 forms, one for fixed installation and one for portable. The metal box transmitter supports both HDMI and USB-C DP alt, used by main input sources such as laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. It is designed for mounting in desk cable grommets. The receiver supports multiple output interfaces, including HDMI, USB-C DP alt, and VGA, ensuring display compatibility. It can easily be installed in a variety of ways. Installing the IR extender is easy. Just plug it into the receiver and place it where the remote can detect. Install power, touch, and HDMI cable. Both types of transmitter are driver-free and require no complex installation, simply plug and play. Office Link unlocks a new level of interaction beyond wireless display. One of its most powerful features is Touchback control, which lets you access your laptop or mobile device directly from an interactive panel. Keyboard and mouse control are supported, allowing presenters to fully operate their devices. Office Link's Touchback feature empowers presenters to interact in real time, making it perfect for dynamic and interactive meetings. Office Link supports up to 8 transmitters. It provides flexibility in different meeting scenarios. Users can instantly switch between display sources using their IR remote control. With a wide range of up to 50 meters, Office Link easily meets the needs of most office, conference room, and classroom environments. Wireless display, Touchback KVM control, and multi-user switching. EZCast Office Link is more than just a wireless display device. It's a new benchmark for enterprise collaboration.